It's beautiful, it's cold, let's get it. All right, you guys, I did make it out here. You can see the beach shoreline is way back there, and I'm out on this little sandbar area out here. But yeah, this looks like a great spot. You can see I still got a long way I can go out there. There's a sandbar right over there. I'm gonna check it out and try to get out past it the best I can. Let's get fishing. I'll show you what I'm using. This is a modified Saltese pompano rig. You can see it's still got the pink float up top, but I changed the bottom float for a big blue bead. I've got it tipped with shrimp and pink fish bites. Let's get her out there and see what we can do. Lost something. All right, our first rod is out. Woo, we're fishing. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining, and I hope we get on some good fish. Let's get the rest of the rods out. All right. This next rod, it's a fish bites rig, and it's got the little green pill floats with a green bead, and I've tipped it with fresh shrimp and pink fish bites. So this is my second rig going out. Slung everything off. All right, we'll see what happens with that. All right, you guys, we got the last rig done. Saltese pompano rig. It was a double at one point. Something happened and I cut it short. It's got the white float. We got it tipped with some fresh shrimp and a piece of fish gum sand fleecicle shrimps. The RATTAN Quercia is getting better, y'all. I'm getting more comfortable riding it in the sand, and I tell you, even coming through the soft sand, I don't have to get off it anymore. It's been a learning curve. I've had it now for right around 3 months. This is probably its 6th or 7th trip in the sand, and it definitely gets you down the beach effortlessly. I'm starting to think, y'all, that I should be out on that point. That way I can get it even that much further out. We're going on a trip to the point. Yeah, we're about to get in some blue water over here. Slung something off. I lost one of them. Let's go get the other rods. I like it out here better. Trying to check the tide to see exactly how long I got out here on this little point, because I see it's starting to fill in a little bit. The tide is coming up. Yeah. New cheapo pair of pliers today. Treating myself. Woo woo. All right. Pretty cool looking lure. I'll show this camera too. Little tiny ES lure. Not too, pretty sweet. Let's cast it and burn it and see what happens. I'm about to get closed off out here. I'm about to be stuck. That water's just about to meet each other right there, and I'm gonna be driving through the water. So just a few more minutes of this spot. We're gonna have to move on down the beach. All right, I casted a little bit, no luck, but hey, still nice to tie it on. I'm gonna use it all day today. It's getting closer every single wave. So let's, it is touching. Let's go ahead and get out of here before we get trapped. All my rods are in the water now. Y'all, I'm just gonna pack the rods up and move down the beach. I'll see y'all when we get there. Came a little bit further down the beach, and sandbar looks pretty good. I can step out just a little bit to get a better cast. Let's just get them out and see what we can do. Oh man, I thought I found a whole sand dollar, y'all. I got excited. Wow, the shells are everywhere. Shells everywhere. That's what I'm gonna be doing, I can already tell. A perfect one. Look at that. That's what we're out here for. We're out here for this. And pompano. But when you're picking up shells, this is about as good as it gets right there. And these, I really like these too. They're everywhere. It's awesome. Thinking maybe I should swap out those rigs. Something newer, something that looks a little better. On the fish bite rig, I put a piece of sand flea. I bought these at the bait store frozen. Figured I better try to change something up. I'm like just right in that, right at the edge in the lighter water. I've got a piece of green. Maybe they're not happy with what's going on today. Well, you guys, I'm not sure. It is a beautiful day though. All I know is that I'm not gonna catch them unless I'm out here trying. Top bait gone. That's a sign. I don't know, maybe I slung it off. Let's put a sand flea on it and slang it. Let's do 2 sand fleas. We got them, let's use them. Man, I thought a black drum or something would come through though. Maybe a redfish. Sheesh, where are all the fish? Y'all, we have been out here all day, or all morning. It's lunchtime. Tell me in the comments what's going on. Is it me? Am I using bad rigs? Am I not able to cast far enough? I'm not gonna stay out here all day like this. It is warming up, the tide is rising, and but it's a really low high tide. It's weird, the tides are messed up too. I'm about to pack it up, but I ain't gonna end y'all with just nothing. We're gonna try something else, so let's go. You guys, we made it down to the cut. The bike is up on the hill. It's super low tide, so we're actually down on the bank, and hopefully no too big of boats come by. We've got some live shrimp. I've also got some jig head tied on. We're going to do some soft plastics, and I've got the Salt Strong skinny looper tied on. We're going to try that as well. But first, we're going to get Heidi's set rig out, see if she can't get us her on a redfish. Oh man, did we kill them all? Dang, none of them are really moving no more. Maybe. All right, this is just a good little fish finder rig, 15-pound fluoro, 1/0 mustad circle hook, 2-ounce pyramid. And we're gonna cast it right out there. We'll see what that does. Yeah, I got these Salt Strong mulligans in the Slam Shady color. Big old swim bait. It's real cold. All right. Man, I feel bad for the shrimps. Me too. What can we do? I mean, you think they're just playing dead? Or do you think they are dead?
Nope, they're real dead.
Let's see if we can't get them some fresh water. All right, fresh water.
But is it okay or I get dirt on my shoes?
Well, we're gonna get dirt on our shoes. We got one rod out. Let's see what we can do with this paddle tail. You got a fish. Get him up here. Heidi got one, y'all. Heidi got one. Get it, girl. What you got? Trout. Nice. Heidi got her little speckled trout. That's an awesome catch. Look at you. Here's a nice little trout. He's not a keeper. We're gonna have to definitely let it go.
Bye.
Good looking little trout.
Bye.
Awesome. Good job, baby. Oh, line slack. Come on.
Get it. You get it.
Got him. You want it?
No.
You sure?
Okay, fine.
All right, here, you get it. Get him. Heidi's on him again. On him again.
Oh, you baby.
Is it a bigger one? Get him up here.
Yep, it's a bigger one.
Oh, it is a bigger one. That might be a keeper there. Oh yeah, that's a keeper size right there.
Up here.
Heidi, you are smoking the trout.
Well, that fish wasn't get up here.
That is a beautiful trout. Let's clean him off. No, we're gonna keep this one. 15, 16, something like that. He's 15. He's right at 15, so we're gonna keep him. You got him. He's tearing up the trout. Whoa! Another nice one. Heidi,
I'm strong.
you are wearing out the trout. This is another keeper.
I'm strong, Dad.
Let me go measure it. He's a little small. We're gonna let him go.
Okay, do it.
Heidi, call up that big trout. I need a big one. Maybe try to get out there where a big one might be. Yeah.
Let me get it. Let me get it.
All right, get it. There you go. Get him, girl. Dang, that one's working you. Get him up here. Another trout. Oh, that's a keeper. Nice one. Oh yeah. We're gonna measure him, make sure he's at least 15 though. Oh yeah, he's 15. He's 15 and a quarter. We're good. There it is. Get him, get him, get him. Get him. Get him. Reel. You got him. You got him. Dang. I lost my camera on my chest. We still got this one going. Keep going. You got him? What is that?
Ow, no.
That is a baby redfish.
Aww,
Look at that.
that's so cute.
You gonna hold this fish?
I'm scared.
Well, then let him go, baby. Grab him. You can do it. He ain't gonna hurt you. All right, let's let him go.
It flipped me.
It's all right.
It scared me. I was so close by holding that, but then it scared me. I thought I could go put them up there.
Well, hold on to him and we'll take him up there. Go put him in the bucket.
Wait a second.
That's a clam. You need to throw that back. That thing's alive. Whoa, instant. There we go.
I'm keeping clam.
Whoa, this thing came up fast.
Keep this clam.
All right. Man, this one looks a little small.
But any kind of rock I want.
Not too bad off. Just another little pretty trout. We'll let him go. Man, they're out there. The moment it hit the water. Y'all look at that, another one. Just the moment it hit the water. We got on the trout bite. It's awesome to catch them. I do enjoy catching trout. They're good to eat too. Yeah.
I know
How big was
it
it?
was this big.
Really big?
Yes.
Oh man.
Let me call my mom.
You gonna call your mom?
Yep. I got a phone.
All right, y'all. Me and Heidi have had a great day down here, a great afternoon down here at the cut.
Yay.
Got some trout. We're gonna keep fishing. The memory card's just about
Dada.
full. I've been recording
Dada.
all day.
One more.
What?
One more fish.
We're gonna catch one more fish and we're gonna call it. It's getting cold. If you enjoy this kind of content, I ask that you please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It means the world to me. Until next time, y'all. See ya.